Where are you going?
I should make an animation of him jumping.
I'm videotaping this. And all I hear is you in the background. I should make a video animation. Start a little elf. Do some elf music in the background, yeah.
What? I'm crazy elf boy. Woohoo! Woohoo! Wee-hee! Yah-ha! Yahoo!
What are you doing? Where's your crazy sister? I can't believe that fit on that Christmas. Whoa, that was a big one.
Whoa, dude!
Just look at my feet. Look at my footwork.
Woohoo!
Look at my footwork.
He's like Lord of the
Hey.
Dance.
He is. We need some Irish music. Sorry, I got your daddy's face in that one.
Oh.
Ah, I don't want to be on YouTube. Ah.